Hello everyone! We are back again with another delicious and easy recipe. This time we're going to be making some delicious muffins, but with a twist. We're going to be adding some leftover cranberry sauce. So before we start this recipe, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any video. So let's begin. We're going to start off with our dry ingredients. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa. We're then going to add 1 cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix everything together and then create a little crater in the center. We're now going to continue with our wet ingredients. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. And now for my final ingredient, I'm going to be adding 1 can of cranberry sauce. You could use whole berry like what I'm using here, or you could use jelly type. That's up to you. I'm going to mix everything up and make sure it's all well incorporated. Now I'm just going to place my muffin cups into my molds. If you don't have muffin cups, then you could use the molds, just buttering them up really well. Next, I'm going to fill up my molds with the batter 3/4 full. That way, when they start to cook, they don't overflow. With my preheated oven, 175 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, I'm placing the muffins in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And voila! After 15 to 20 minutes, I get this beautiful chocolatey, moist, and fluffy cranberry chocolate muffin. And we are back. I'm here with my trusty volunteer. How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, but I see here that you took a bite before we started filming.
Yeah, it's delicious, so I couldn't,
You couldn't resist?
Yeah, I couldn't resist.
Okay, so can you tell us what it tastes like then?
Well, it's not like really over sweet.
Okay.
But I like the taste. And also I felt the taste of the cranberry, and it's sweet as well. And I like it.
Okay, so I passed the taste test?
Yeah, you passed it with 10.
Amazing. Okay, amazing. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and we will be back with more delicious recipes from my home to yours. Bye.